Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Thursday, September 28th. Time is around 6:30 GMT, and we will have a look at the Dow Jones futures on the Oanda platform. So my take on the Dow Jones is that we made a wave one high here, and that we are currently doing a corrective move as a wave two. And so, as I already showed you yesterday, like we reached the area. Like yesterday, we were just when I was recording, we were just above it, but now we really touched it. We crossed the 0.5 pip retracement. So yeah, that means that we can start to look for upside again. Of course, there can be an alternative scenario where we see more downside, but this I will analyze in my weekend analysis, in my higher time frame analysis. For now, yeah, there is actually not much to do in the Dow Jones. Like the problem with this here is that there is not much interpretation. Like it is just one straight line. Like as you can see, I tried to like the past videos, like to have a wave one, a wave two, like it's here on my charts as you can see, but like we never really got like an outspoken wave or a clear wave two. So yeah, like our waves are a bit hidden here in this straight line down, and so it could actually be like my idea was to have a path like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a wave C, but as you can see, we depending on which scenario you take here, the A B with triangle C or the A B C like this, we already reached this wave C area and we are close to this wave C area. So it could just be that that this is already our wave C here to the downside without having this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then they are just, if we are looking at the 1 hour, then they are just like somewhere hidden here, like I don't know, like wave one very shallow, wave two, then yeah, where is the wave three? Then I would say yeah, this is actually the wave three. Like yeah, maybe let's try to label it here. I will take this off the chart because this is not really useful anymore. And then, yeah, I would say this here is the 3, and then we need a 4 and a 5, something like this here. I put this in the higher degree, and I will make it visible in the 1 hour. Okay, let's have a look how that looks here. Yeah, then it should be like our wave C should then be something like this 1, 2, very shallow wave 2. Then this here is our 3, like we had this good punch down here in RSI, and then 4 and a 5, and then yeah, we could reach this area here. So yeah, the main point is here that we need some better data. We need some better. We need to have structures before we can start to work on the Dow Jones again. Because yeah, I don't like. It's a bit the same as I compare it with the DAX right now. The Dow Jones, like this looks like a falling knife. It can fall further. We cannot see in the data for the moment if this is ending or not. So therefore, we just have to be yeah, and patience till we get better data, till we start to see signs of exhaustion here, signs of an ending structure. Now, what we see here on the 4 hour is okay. We might start to break out. I will make this. This is no longer. Yeah, okay, so like this. So we have here a downward cycle. So now we start to break out. So this might be a first sign that that we are ending this downward cycle. But even if we break out, then we can still make a low here with divergence, and yeah, that would actually be like a good scenario, I would say. If we break out here as a wave, like as a wave 4, and then we make another low, then we get quite close here to this area. I believe the wave C area, and then this here might actually be a nice long opportunity. So this is what I would like to see. This is what we ideally see. But yeah, first it still has to happen, of course. But this is on my radar, and I keep you posted. Okay, so that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye bye.